Hi there, and welcome back to our channel for another tech-related video. I am Francisco, and in today's topic, it is going to be just a bit of a lifesaver for many iPhone 15 users out there. We're going to discuss 5 different ways to fix the issue of iPhone 15 being stuck in SOS mode. So before we get started, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to ensure you're always up to date with our latest troubleshooting tips. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. The reasons behind the iPhone 15's getting stuck on SOS mode. So before we jump into fixing the iPhone 15 stuck on SOS mode, let's first understand why it happens. There are several reasons that lead to this issue. As the video progresses, we will discuss some of the common problems to help you better understand their solution. Number 1 is going to be network or signal issues. When your iPhone 15 experiences a location with limited or no cellular signal, it might enter SOS mode, enabling emergency calls even without a regular connection. Also, difficulties with your carrier, like network outages or problems with your account, can also result in your iPhone being trapped in SOS mode. Number 2, software bugs or updates. So similar to any intricate software, iOS is vulnerable to bugs and glitches. Errors in the iOS operating system can occasionally cause the iPhone to become unresponsive and enter SOS mode. These issues may arise from problems with the cellular radio software or other associated components. Likewise, if a recent software update fails to resolve the previous version's bugs, it may lead to problematic behavior such as the iPhone becoming stuck in SOS mode. Next is hardware malfunctions. Problems with the iPhone cellular hardware can result in connectivity issues and become a factor in the SOS mode issue. A damaged SIM card might actually lead the device to face a lack of network access, which triggers the SOS mode. Similarly, exposure to water can potentially impact establishing an unreliable cellular connection, leading to the emergency-only state on your iPhone 15. Incorrect settings. At times, unintended adjustments to your iPhone settings can deactivate all wireless connections, including cellular, which causes the iPhone to become stuck in SOS mode. Now, this also can activate the Do Not Disturb mode or other such barriers in the proper connection of the cellular network, all of which can start the SOS mode on the iPhone 15. Part 2. How to fix new iPhone 15 stuck in SOS mode. As we have already discussed the reasons behind your iPhone 15 being stuck in SOS mode, it's time to move towards the solutions. Depending on the relevant cause, solutions can also vary, and we will outline the most effective fixes to resolve the issue in a few seconds. Fix number 1. Power off and charge your iPhone 15. The very first action to take when troubleshooting an iPhone 15 stuck in SOS mode is to confirm that it has sufficient battery life. Sometimes a temporary glitch or low battery levels can result in unexpected iPhone behavior, so get your iPhone to discharge, charge it, and then proceed to restart it. It's important to charge your iPhone 15 adequately before turning it on, because a depleted battery could lead to the persistence of the SOS mode problem even after a restart. Fix number 2. Try the force restart technique. Now, the effective way to respond to software-related glitches is to force restart your iPhone. This eliminates temporary bugs and glitches and refreshes system processes. Follow these steps to force restart your iPhone 15. Press and release the volume up button, followed by the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button located on the right side. The Apple logo then appears by holding the side button continuously. Once the logo is displayed, your iPhone will undergo a restart. Fix number 3. Restore iPhone with recovery mode using iTunes/Finder. If your problem remains after applying the steps mentioned before, restore your iPhone with recovery mode to resolve the issue. Now, restoring your device using iTunes/Finder is an effective method to tackle complex software-related issues. Follow the steps ahead to use recovery mode in fixing your iPhone 15. First, you have to make sure that your system has the latest version of iTunes/Finder and then launch it. After that, connect your iPhone to a computer and then put it in recovery mode by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button, followed by the volume down button. Now hold down the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Then select the restore option from the prompted notification on your computer screen. Doing so will erase all of your iPhone data, and a new OS version will be installed on your iPhone 15. Fix number 4. Use a robust and innovative iOS system repair toolkit. If standard solutions prove ineffective in resolving the issue of your iPhone 15 being stuck on SOS mode, we recommend the robust and comprehensive iOS system repair toolkit, Wondershare Dr. Phone. This tool specifically addresses various iOS issues without causing data loss. Dr. Phone is capable of addressing over 150 iOS system repair issues efficiently. One notable advantage of Wondershare Dr. Phone is its ability to resolve many issues without compromising your data. So beyond fixing iOS system issues, Wondershare Dr. Phone is able to upgrade and downgrade iOS without iTunes. Moreover, it lets you enjoy all of the new features of the latest iOS beta version by updating your device for free with just one click. So follow the detailed steps explained ahead to understand how to use Wondershare Dr. Phone to fix the issue of an iPhone 15 stuck in SOS mode. First of all, you need to activate Wondershare Dr. Phone on your system and then navigate to the toolbox section from the left panel. From there, head toward the system repair tool and connect your iPhone 15. Next, continue with the iOS device from the device type screen, followed by the iOS repair option. And the next step, go with the standard repair option to avoid data loss and follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone 15 in recovery mode. After this, the firmware will be detected automatically on the platform, and then you just have to press the download button to download it. After successfully having downloaded the firmware, Wondershare Dr. Phone will verify it for you to avoid any further issues. And then once iOS firmware verification process is completed, you need to click the Repair Now button to repair your iPhone 15. Fix number 5. Contact the Apple customer support team for help. If none of the previously mentioned solutions prove successful, reaching out to Apple's customer support is recommended. Apple's support team can offer valuable guidance, and if necessary, they may suggest visiting an Apple store or an authorized service provider for further assistance. They are well equipped to determine whether the issue is related to hardware problems that require professional attention. When reaching out to Apple support, be sure to provide comprehensive details about the problem for a more accurate assessment. Now, bonus tip, how to turn off the feature of emergency SOS. If you've unintentionally activated emergency SOS on your iPhone and want to prevent it from happening in the future, we are about to give you a bonus tip. In such cases, you can change the emergency SOS settings. Here's a guide on how to turn off the emergency SOS feature. Open the settings menu on your iPhone and then scroll down to locate the emergency SOS option. Within the emergency SOS settings, find and toggle off both call with hold and release and call with 5 button presses. By following this, you can effectively disable the emergency SOS feature, which reduces the chances of accidentally activating it on your iPhone in the future. And we have reached the end of our discussion. So in conclusion, addressing the issue of iPhone 15 getting stuck on SOS mode requires a systematic approach to resolve potential causes. We have enriched you with a comprehensive guide to resolve the issue, including the most powerful toolkit, Wondershare Dr. Phone. If you have any questions or you found these tips useful, we want you to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay connected with us for more insightful tech-related content in the future, and thanks for watching. Now, until next time, enjoy.